So I had my daughter make, next day, back again. Last night I had my daughter make that quinoa salad. So she finished that. Now I have a big thing of chickpeas. I'm trying not to dump on the floor. So we're gonna make some tahini. No. Sometimes people ask me, like, I don't understand why your food's burnt. Because I'm a real life mom. So for instance, I just went to go give Azariah to swap his food out for the feed that he needs to be on for the next hour. I haven't even finished doing it, but I could, it literally 5 minutes, right? And so this was smelling burnt. It's not actually burnt. It needed to get stirred. And my rice was bubbling over the side. So that is real life too. I'm trying to multitask. Some kids are trying to take apart beds. Some people are trying to do all the things. I'm trying to make tahini too for tomorrow, so I don't even know. But that's how things get burnt, because I have people to take care of. For maybe 10 minutes. My son like barely made it to work at 4 o'clock, so that's how long we've been home. She just grabbed me the broccoli there. That's all the broccoli that we have. So we're gonna do some mixed things. I do have some salad in the fridge as well. We have this for supper, and then the rice should sit for a couple more minutes. And I have made tahini here. So I'm going to scoop this out into containers, and then I will share with you what I'm doing and how I'm making tahini. Not tahini, it's not tahini, it is hummus, which uses tahini. Right, guys, we're gonna do 3 cups of chickpeas. But you know I'm trying to do one-handed. 1, because I'm multitasking and making supper and I'm trying to do everything in a rush, which is normally, yeah, me. Okay, there we go. So now we are going to do about, I don't know, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I'm going to do about half a cup of lemon juice, or 2 freshly squeezed lemons. So I'm using the lemon juice, whoops. And then I am going to do half a cup of tahini, and I'll do that in just a minute because I need 2 hands. I'm also going to do about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this garlic. Yes, I used up all my garlic, guys. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm doing a teaspoon of salt. I have more like 2 teaspoons of salt. I like more salt. Oh, and I didn't do my cumin. And that is half a teaspoon, half a cup of the tahini. And now I'm going to do half a teaspoon of cumin. And then I'm going to put the cover on. And we're going to take this off. And let's see. Yeah, perfect. All right. You can mix any other mixtures that you want in there. Sometimes, if I have a little bit of like pickled peppers, that's kind of good in there. What else is good in there? Everything's bagel seasoning. That's pretty good. So what I'm doing with these is I am just starting to fill some of these small containers. So we can have this to use those crackers that we had, and or to use these for vegetables. Okay, so I have the chicken here. Yum, yum, yum. Remember we made that together? When did we make that together? I think it was a couple of weeks ago we made this together. That's freezer bag. I have some rice here. That's going to be for supper. And then I have the broccoli there. That's going to be for supper. And I'm gonna put that stuff at the table for supper, and then have somebody pull the salad out to eat for supper because it's 4:30. Probably they're outside for a little bit, so probably come in at 5 or so and eat. And I am melting butter to make. I'm gonna take this pan right here, and I am just gonna saute some chickpeas, and this could go like on top of a salad. I have some quinoa left, so I think I'll have like the quinoa and the chickpeas on top of a salad, maybe with some like onions and I don't know, whatever you want to put on there. I'm just trying to do different things for salad because we have 1 thing of salad. So I'm putting that much in there, and then I'm putting this back in I'm putting this in the freezer. These were in the fridge. So I did 6 cups of uncooked, and that made enough for me to do all those tahinis. So I did a double batch of tahini, and then I did, what else did I do? The quinoa salad, and then this here. So that's going to go, and then this is going to go in the freezer, and that would probably be for making hummus, not tahini, hummus. Quinoa salad that my daughter made the other day. Basically, you are using onions, peppers, cucumbers, and chickpeas along with quinoa, and then you make a dressing and put it over it, and it turns out to a beautiful salad. I shared it last year. I'll share it again because we make it a lot in the summertime. It's kind of like an Italian dressing that goes with that. Okay, I melted 2 sticks of butter. I am making gluten-free chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. I have 2 sticks of gluten-free butter. Yes, should be gluten-free. 2 sticks of butter melted in here, mainly because my butter was not salt. 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar. Cook these for a couple minutes, and honestly, it's great if you can make your own barbecue sauce, but I'm not going to right now. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use, let's see, this is about half of a container right here. I'm going to stir this in, see what it looks like. I think that looks about good. Maybe I could go a little bit more. Maybe I could go a little bit more. Depends what you plan on doing with it. I think for me, I might just eat it on top of some quinoa with us, like, over salad. I don't know. Anyway, it smells good. That's what I'm doing. Okay, I have 2.5 cups of the rolled oats in here. So 2 eggs, 2 cups of flour, and a teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of baking powder. Let's go get some chocolate chips. 2.5 cups of chocolate chips, and we are going to put these on some baking. I use gluten-free flour with mine. This time I'm probably going to have my daughter actually make a batch just like this that doesn't have gluten-free flour, so I'll have a batch of each, but it works perfect with both, which I share what we have right here. So for tomorrow we are going to pool, and so this will be brought for pool. This is what was left over from the hummus, and I'll also bring these crackers and this quinoa salad, so that will be for lunch tomorrow. Tonight for supper we are having this chicken, rice, broccoli, some people already served obviously, and then I have these hummuses and peppers and what are these? Crackers. These are all going to get lids, and these are going to be part of snacks.